My name is John Pinnello. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Castle Orthopedics. As a general orthopedist, I see a lot of problems. I see shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand. I see hip, knee, and ankle injuries too. So I like general orthopedics for that reason. I like the variety. That's what attracted me. There's areas I've focused on, like knee replacement and hip replacement. But I also enjoy still doing hand surgery and shoulder surgery. I like the variety, I like the challenge. I think sometimes a lot of people have normal stuff that just happens and they want somebody that they trust to get them through it. If a patient goes through a surgery, a lot of times they need to rehabilitate that area, and not having the therapy could affect their outcome. Having great therapists like we have here, especially experienced therapists, who work one-on-one a lot of times with the patient, more so than other therapists do. I think it gives the patient a better outcome in the long run. What I want people to know about Castle is that we are local. All of us live in this area. We serve the local high schools as team physicians. Aurora and the surrounding areas are our hometowns too. So I think people need to know that we're part of them. We're part of their hometown. Yeah, I always knew I was going to be a doctor, even when I was young, probably about 10 or 11 years old. Didn't know which type of doctor until I got into medical school. It's nice to be thanked for doing good work for somebody and helping somebody out. That's probably the best pleasure in terms of why you really did it. Why did I want to be a doctor when I was 10 years old? It was really to help people, and I think I found my niche. So when I found my niche and now I feel like I'm helping people, that's great.